Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to block pop-ups from a site in Chrome on your PC. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to prevent annoying pop-ups and redirects while browsing. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the three dots icon, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings, and finally choose Pop-ups and Redirects. Step 4. Under the Allowed to Send Pop-ups and Use Redirects section, locate the site you want to block. Step 5. To the right of the site, click on More, then select Block to prevent pop-ups and redirects from that site. If the site you want to block is not listed, click on Add next to Not Allowed to Send Pop-ups or Use Redirects. Enter the web address of the site and click Add. To block all pop-ups across the entire site, you can use the pattern @example.com. By following these simple steps, you can effectively block pop-ups and redirects from specific sites, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable browsing experience.